You guys all been waiting for what if Alabama beat Texas? This is a series we all know and love, your CFB what ifs, where I take a result that happened this last year and I flip it and I predict how that team would have done moving forward and potentially the college football landscape. Two things before we get back into it. One, make sure you guys drop a comment of the CFB what ifs that you want me to do. And finally, this will be over Bama, but I will do one over Texas for that same game. So back to it. What if Bama beat Texas? The ending score was 34-24, but going into the fourth quarter, it was 16-13. Bama was ahead, so this isn't really far-fetched. So I think when we look at a what if in this scenario, we have to look at two different things. One, if they won this game potentially convincingly, that means Milroe hit his stride very early. Like we're seeing later in this year, with him hitting on all cylinders, that could have potentially happened that game. Or the other scenario is maybe they barely squeaked by and he really didn't catch his footing yet. Which again, those two different outcomes could have drastically changed how that season went. For example, if Milroe didn't find his footing early, potentially he might drop a game like Arkansas, USF, cupcake games like that. But if they did win this game, I honestly think that would have put them first overall in the AP polls. Now, if they won that game, I do think they would have finished the season 12-0. I also do think they would have won the SEC championship game, just like they did this year. And then finally, I do think they would have went into the college football playoff ranked number 1.